Let me show you what's inside. No. Little bit dry. I'm so hungry and tired. I even don't have the power for cook. But oh, we are all totally wet. She enjoyed the water. Tired. Now you try our gas first. We bring a long fuse. I hope. Oh, sorry. I hope no problem. Welcome back to my channel. Today get back to the jungle, the same stream. Last time we used a small boat to explore. This time I bring three more and we will try tonight. And by the way, I don't know, my wife, she already forward or she follow me. We are missing, so I'm here for waiting for her. She cannot continue. We have to go back for the village and pass our bike, the scooter at the village, and continue with 2 person, which is my bike. I don't know. This trip will be very hot, but this is my first experience for 2 person, and we are carrying so many things here. Yeah, have to try. We are parking our bike at the same place. Who remember last time Mario and me, we parked our bike here because of the other road is crazy. My bike is okay, but my wife bike, the scooter, really cannot go because of her experience not so good. So it's very hard to climb up to the position that we want to camping. So this is the location. Is the last time me and Mario we are parked here for camping. Also really nice. So my wife and me we are changing the location. Now it's start deep into the jungle. Start walking deep into the jungle. Lucky no people, they make the plantation and hunting. Just chill walking. You see I'm carry so many things. I hope you enjoy our trip. Tonight we try to catch some fish and frog. Also we bring along some meal. Really heavy rain. You may don't know how much we work for you. But you see my wife, she has a raincoat and go up there. And me with tan and bag. But I really hope my bag can waterproof. Totally wet. Half is because of raining and half because of I'm so tired. Oh, we already here. The big rock here. Then turn the small road, go up there the jungle. I doesn't know the sunshine hit and very heavy rain. We both all get wet. And my wife, she had the raincoat. But blue are not so easy for camping, you know. And you remember the last time Mario and we moved into the cave for whole morning. But now maybe we temporarily stay in the cave. And I think the cave will be somewhere there. It's a long time already, I cannot remember, we have to check. It's there or up there a little bit. The last time the water is very less. Now the water is a very strong pressure. So we have to cross carefully. Oh, under like here. Let me show you what's inside. No. Little bit dry, but we have to explore about East Thai first. Had to rest inside for a while because I'm so tired and hungry. Have to cook a little bit first before we set our camping. We are all totally wet. She enjoyed the water. Maybe over there. Chỉ mua tờ mẹ nữa nè. Hôm nay hết chứ mà. It's so heavy rain. Maybe you will not believe, but you can see. And now take our rest. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry right now. I have no breakfast, no lunch until now. Crazy. I really want to lunch now. So really heavy rain. My wife enjoy the water, but I'm have to cook now. I'm feeling like this trip I'm not lucky, but anyway, we already reached the cave. So now it's time for make the fire and cook our pork. I'm so hungry and tired. I even don't have the power for cook. But we are going to make a fire here, but we cannot get a dry wood even now. Alright, anyway, we are unlucky, but in there we still lucky. We bring along a lot of food and we have the gas. We have to cook our meal now in the cave. If you follow me, you will remember this is cave last time me and Mario we are used to stay. We are camping up there, but suddenly early in the morning and raining, heavy rain, and we moved into the cave. It's same, a lot of raining now, but last time the water are not so strong, and now the water is very strong now. We cannot catch fish now, but maybe some frog in the real side. Now you try our gas first. We bring a long fuse. I hope, sorry. I hope no problem. So it's time to cook our meal first. Crazy! So heavy rain, we cannot do anything. So we have to broil a little bit pork. So I don't know whether we can sleep here or not. Because anyway, wait, you can see, broil some pork first. This is a drinking water. We don't want to drink from the stream now, but tonight not sure. But now I have to broil some pork first. Yeah, we have a lot of pork, but we just cook a little bit because of, you know why? Yeah, I have no problem yet. You see, big piece of pork. We just cook a little bit first, and after the raining stop, we try to cook more. But now we just try a little bit first because I'm so hungry right now. Just a little bit for my lunch, and after we are looking for the place for camping tonight. We are so late, we are already here and no time for camping, already raining. We are lucky we have a small cave. We bring a lot of food. I have to put some garlic and chili. We really want to make a good sauce for tonight. But raining, but we're lucky we bring a mini gas. If not, worse, no, cannot make fire. And see, no dry wood at all. See? Okay. And I think we no need to put salt, because after we just make the salt and enjoy the small pickle pause. I'm sorry for not wear the shirt. All my clothes get wet, you know. I didn't think so I will have shirt tonight. Yeah, all there wet. It's a no dry place now. Of course on top we're not raining, but it's rain from everywhere. You see all wet, you know. You are totally wet. Left only this area. Yeah. So make sure cannot sleep tonight. Check first. Oh, big piece. But she don't want to have the meat. She don't want to join me. She have some shabu. Maybe you can call shabu. It's some vegetable. She don't like meat. I think I should put some lemongrass and salt. Yeah, lucky we have a mini gas, you know. If not, we cannot fire too. You can set it your tent and bush crab. And it should be no problem because the gas not big problem or even fire. But at least you must make the bus crab. By the way, it becomes already raining, so it's no time to make the bus crab. Otherwise, our clothes, everything will get wet. So hot. I think almost cooked. Just wait for a while. You see, big piece. Yeah. Make the sauce first. Okay, just make the sauce, make easy. I have my sauce now. I think the pork is already cooked, so yeah, I really hope so. Now it's already almost 5 p.m. Totally so hungry right now. Too hot right now. We prepare along the sticky rice. Oh, see? In the jungle, everything much better. Spicy. Spicy, you see my leaf. And now she clean our pot. So everything wet, you know. I have to prepare everything and be moved out because of here no place for sleeping and camping. We have to borrow their house for camping tonight. We really want to camping in the jungle, but suddenly by the way we walk into the jungle, it's already so heavy rain, so we cannot camping there because I have no place for set the camping, and in the cave also wet everywhere. So now it's time to cook, yeah. She wants to cook her vegetable, but I need meat. Let her enjoy the vegetable. I will barbecue my pork. Nó có mí không? Nó có mí của nó này.
Đấy, chọc tét.
Khai bánh luôn.
Nào, con chó nó cắt.
Okay. Ready, veggie. She want to go with everything here, but I know I want to barbecue the pork. I will bring some hot dog. I don't know can finish or not. Alright, big piece pork. We want to catch some fish and frog in the river. Just bring along, but suddenly raining, so heavy rain, we cannot go there. Just barbecue in the small house here and camping here. Nó xí xèn của tôi.
Có tuổi lớn chung chế rồi.
Thôi là
Bánh mà.
có tiền của cái đấy đâu, nó có gì cho có không mà. Okay, so barbecue the sausage first, and her food already. Yeah, you can go. So enjoy.
Đấy phiêu
With the-
mà.
So enjoy with the food. I'm so tired because of I carry too heavy.
Đẹp.
To barbecue a bit, and we have big piece of pork. I no need rice even. Cá chả. Her food is ready. Just want to barbecue the sausage first. Big piece of pork will follow up. Very hungry right now, but lucky in the cave there we already have a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Maybe too strong, the fire. I'm starting with my pork. Yeah, big one. I'm so hungry, but just take a few hot dog. I'm feeling full now. Maybe the pork cook for tomorrow morning. I'm not really want to barbecue. It's something like smoke now, but just prepare for tomorrow. Have to say good night. We have set our tent and sleep. So good night. Good morning. Yeah, we wake up so late, and because of we start selling something here after tourists will come, so we are quickly to remove our tent and prepare our thing there. So ready for go back. So for this EP, I have to say thank you so much, and